Sick and tired of the D3d8 legacy library DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. As we prepare to resolve D3d8 legacy library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This DLL file is a fundamental DirectX 8 library, responsible for 3D graphics rendering. It provides the legacy API that allowed classic PC games to interface with the graphics card to render real-time visuals on Windows. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The presence of the D3d8 legacy library DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the D3d8 legacy library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of the D3d8 legacy library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to the D3d8 legacy library management. If the D3d8 legacy library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.